children, this is the second video of the story The Midnight Visitor, and this is from the book Footprints Without Feet, which is very important for CBSE 10th standard children. So in the first video what we all have seen, we have seen that one secret agent is there and he is having some important file with him, right? The file with which is related to the security of missile and something, and one more secret is coming there who wants to take the file, and then they both started discussing on the topic of balcony. He is saying that I have arranged all the pass key to enter the room. He is saying that I will complain to the management. They have informed me that they will work on the balcony. Okay, so it was very interesting to listen children that on which topic they were discussing. So I will read from last 4 or 5 lines so that we all can come to know exactly. So page number 16, third paragraph, 4th line. It had the balcony which extend under my window now. So he is saying that balcony was there with this room and now it is extending till my window. You can get onto it from the empty room 2 doors down. And where you can get with the help of the balcony, empty room, and which is 2 doors down. And somebody did last month. They have done this last month. The management promised to block it off, but they have not. So management said that they will block this way of coming from balcony, but till now they have not done. Max glanced at Fowler. Glanced means giving a look. So now Max started glancing at Fowler, giving a look to Fowler, who was standing stiffly not far from Osable, and who was standing stiffly. Stiffly means completely erect, because he was also having fear. No, someone is having a gun in the hand. Then what happened? And he was not far from Osable also, and waved the gun with a commanding gesture. Commanding gesture means from the body language he was giving one pose which is saying that yes, you have to do this only. Please sit down. So he said in the body language and commanding gesture like this, sit down. He said, we have a wait of half an hour, I think. And then he added that we have a wait of half an hour. So 1 hour 30 minutes we have waited. 31 minutes, Osable said moodily. So he said 1 hour and 30 minutes. Osable, who is a secret agent, he is saying that no, this is not 1 hour 30 minutes. This is 31 minutes. The appointment was for 12:30, and when the appointment was 12:30. We were going to meet at 12:30. I wish I knew how you learned about the report, Max. So he is saying that I want to know that how you came to know about the report in which all the secrets and operating of missile is there. Okay. The little spy smiled evilly. So now the little spy, what he did, he smiled evilly. Evilly means smiling like a bad person. Okay, like this I will not disclose. Okay, how I came to know about the file. And we wish we knew how your people got the report. So he is asking that I want to know how you came to know about the file. And what he is giving reply. Okay, he is giving reply that I want to know that how you got the file. So the both secret agents are discussing on this issue. But no harm has been done. I will get it back tonight. What is that? Who is at the door? Question mark. So he is saying that no harm is there. Why? Because you have the file and I will take the file back from you. So I will have the file again with me. So no harm is there. Fowler jumped at the sudden knocking at the door. So Fowler, he started jumping because someone was knocking at the door. Okay, sudden jumping was there. Osable just smiled. But Osable, what he did, he started smiling. That will be the police, he said. So Osable, he is in danger now, no? So he is smiling and saying that, oh, someone is knocking on the door and they are police. I thought that such an important paper as the one we are waiting for such should have a little extra protection. Then very confident Osable said that the papers are very important and I thought this type of paper should be given very extra protection. See children, what we can find out in this story, we can find out in this story that both the characters, they are talking in dialogues. Okay, whatever they are saying, they want to surprise other, or they want to bring some thrill, they want to show that they are the best one. So the conversation is full of dialogue. So some dialogue Osable is making, some dialogue Max is making. Then Max bit his lips nervously. So biting the lips nervously means he is not knowing what is now happening. Okay. The knocking was repeated. But what happened? The knocking was repeated. What will you do now, Max? Osable asked. So Osable is asking, you are having the gun in the hand and you want the paper, what you will do now? Okay. If I don't answer the door, they will enter anyway. And he said that if I will not answer the door, means this is my room, I have to see who is knocking. If that I will not do, they will enter anyway. The door is unlocked. The door is unlocked. Means it is not locked. They are knocking now, but if I will not open, then also they can enter. And they will not hesitate to shoot. And they will not hesitate to shoot. So if they will come and if they will find you all, that you all are having the gun and creating the problem here, so they will not hesitate also to shoot. They are the police officer. And police officers are having the power that in this type of serious issues, they can kill someone also. Max's face was black. He was a black person with anger as he backed swiftly towards the window. So, or we can say that because of this problem, no, he became colorless, black. So he started moving backside. Okay. So he started moving backside, and when he was going backside, he was going close to the window. He swung a leg over the sill, and he moved one leg over the sill, sent them away, he warned. And he said that, okay, call them inside. I will wait on the balcony. Then what happened? He had gone to balcony and said that I will wait on the balcony. Send them away or I will shoot and take my chances. He is saying that send them. If anyone is coming in your room, you handle. And if you are not listening to me, I will shoot. This was the warning which was given by Max. And this warning was given to whom? This warning was given to Osable. So then, Max's face was black with anger and he was giving warning. The knocking at the door became louder. So now someone started knocking more and more loudly. Now someone started more and more knocking loudly. And a voice was raised. So now one voice was also raised. Mr. Osable, Mr. Osable. So someone was taking the name Mr. Osable and Mr. Osable. So because the room was of Osable only, and what Osable had to do? Osable had to open the room because he was having the secret files with him and he was saying that police officers are outside. Now page 17, keeping his body twisted. Twisted means standing on the same place but looking in different direction. So that can give you one pose of twisting the body, so that his gun still covered the fat man and his guest. The man at the window grabs the frame with his free hand to support himself. Then he swung his other leg up and over the window sill. So he is having the gun also. Means till now, Osable and the man, the reporter, is on the gun point. Gun point of the Max. But then also they have to deal with the people, those who are standing outside. The door knob turned. Swiftly, Max pushed with his left hand to free himself from the sill and dropped to the balcony. And then, as he dropped, he screamed once shrilly. So, when he dropped himself to go down to the balcony, he started cried in a very loud voice. The door opened and a waiter stood there with a tray, a bottle, and two glasses. But outside, children, the suspense of the story is there was no police officer standing outside. Who was standing? One waiter was there, and the waiter was having one tray, a bottle, and two glasses. A bottle and two glasses. Here is the drink you order for when you return. And he said that this is the drink you order when you return. He said and set the tray on the table, deftly uncorked the bottle. So bottle is there and bottle is having the cap, okay? Maybe the steel one. So it is said cork. Uncork means taking out the cap and left the room. White-faced Fowler stared after him. So now Fowler the reporter, he is staring, looking at how nicely and easily you handle the situation. But he stammered, the police. Stammered means the one who feels problem or have problem in speaking some words, that is said to be stammering. Okay, the police. There were no police possible sign. So what he said? There were no police. Only Henry, whom I was expecting. But won't that man out on the balcony? Fowler began. No, said Oswald, he would not return. You see, my friend, there is no balcony. So what he said? He said that, no, my friend, don't worry because there is no balcony. So the interesting part here, what we can see, children, in this story, or what we have seen, that Oswald, he is a agent, okay, and he is having a file, and the file is having information related to missiles, and then he is giving interview to Fowler. That day only one more agent, Max, is coming to take out these papers from him. And how nicely he is handling him, that is only the title of the story, The Midnight Visitor. That is only the title of the story. He is talking, okay, maximum to max, that how you enter in the house. You have entered in the house with the help of balcony, no? This has happened earlier also. One person was trying to enter. Max is saying balcony is also there. I was not doing. So I am having the pass key and much problem I have faced. So this much they talked and he convinced him that balcony is there. Then Fowler, he is watching everything, how one agent is dealing with the difficult situation. Okay, how one agent is dealing with the difficult situation. And here the interesting part, what the interesting part is coming, that one waiter is coming outside the room and the waiter started knocking. So Oswald is making the Max to believe that police is outside, because what the paper I am having is the important paper, very important paper. So police is standing outside, and this police officer, what they will do? They can kill you also. So Max, he become very much fearful, and becoming fearful, he went to the window side and he thought that I will go down to balcony, and after when they will go, I will come back again. But when he wanted to go to the balcony, what happened? Maybe he has fallen down, okay, and he got injured also because there was no balcony. So this was a very interesting story, children, and now we can see the question answer of the lesson. Page number 14. The first part is saying how Oswald is different from other secret agents, because he is talking something very funny and entertaining to the enemies also. He is making the enemies to feel better, but he is without fighting making his own ways. Who is Fowler and what is his first authentic thrill of the day? So Fowler, the news reporter, the first thrill of the day is he is going to take the interview of possible agent, and that day only all incident happened. How has Max got in? So how Max came inside the room? So Max said that I came inside the room with the help of the pass key. How does Osable say he got in? So Osable say that you have got in with the help of the balcony, right? So what I am saying, children, I am saying the keywords, and you can make your answer around this. Then page number 17 we can see one picture also, that one man who is holding the gun in the hand, he is Max, and one person who is sitting there, he is Osable. But Osable was not looking like one secret agent also. He was little bit fat, okay. He was not that much fit and fine also. But he was very intelligent, right? So Fowler was thinking that he is secret agent. This type of looks he is having, how he can be a top secret agent? But because of his skill, Osable proved that there is no prior judgment can be done on anyone. He was a very best secret agent. So in this picture we can see that this man is jumping from outside the window to the balcony, but if there is no balcony, only what will happen? The person will get injured also. Sometimes the person are losing their life also. So we can go to page number 18 now, and we can discuss what is there. First of all, meanings are there. Glossary meanings. So these meanings you all can see and you can understand. Like the word romantic. So it means imaginative, sometimes having a fantastic view of reality. Passively, just well enough, tolerably well. Then espionage, spying, collecting information about someone without his information is called spying. Then sloppy, carelessly dressed. So who was sloppy in the story? Osable. Osable was sloppy. Okay. Then prosaic. Prosaic means he was looking like ordinary person. Chuck, laugh quietly without opening the mouth. So that is said to be chuck. Okay. Whizzed, spoke breathing noisily and heavily. Then missiles, weapons directed by remote control or automatically. So missiles, I think every one of you are knowing that with the help of the computer system nowadays, the missiles can be operated and it can cause great destruction also to any country. So we should not go for this. Okay, this should be only the last of last option. If any more option is available by which we can have the peace, we can maintain the peace, we should shout for that only, we should go for that only, because war is never peaceful. Okay, war is not the thing to celebrate, right? Because always it is bringing destruction in both the sides. Think about it. So this part is asking from you that after reading this part you are able to think. Osable did not fit any description of a secret agent. Means by his look he was not in the he was not in the fit of the secret agent. Fowler had ever read. What do secret agents in books and films look like? So secret agents in films and book look like the superhero, we can say, having a muscular body, gymnastic body. Okay, they are knowing all the fighting skills. They are very good in looks and talking. But he is not like that. They are having always well dressed. But he is not like that. In your opinion, discuss in groups or in class some stories or movies featuring spies, detective and secret agent, and compare their appearance with that of possible in this story. So you have to discuss, okay, whatever you have seen in the documentaries, movies, or read in the story, how the secret agent is defined there, and how here you are looking the secret agent, that difference you have to discuss. You may mention characters from fiction in language other than English. In English fiction, you may have come across Sherlock Holmes, Hercule Poirot, or Miss Marple. Have you watched any movie featuring James Bond? So, have you watched children any movie in which James Bond is there? So, James Bond is a very famous character who used to do the role of secret agent in the movie, and he is famous by the code 007. Okay, so very fast, within 2 minutes he can go to next country, he can get the plane also, he can kill 40 to 50 people also, and he can protect his life also from 100 people. Very fast and very smart looking, good body, muscular body he is having. So like that type of secret agents we used to think that they are by looking this type of movies. But children, actually it is not true. Some secret agents are that also, that whole life they have spent in the office only, but they are a secret agent. No one is knowing that he is a secret agent. Okay, so secret agents are also working on the field, and some secret agents are working in the office. Some are both. So secret agents means, don't think that they are always doing the action or the thrill how we are watching in the movies or in the story we are reading. A secret agent has to work for the country for which he is appointed. Only he has to hide his identity. Okay, so maybe you can recall I said you the example of Ajit Doval. Okay, so when he was secret agent, he went to Pakistan. There he disguised himself as a Muslim person, and he was successful in the mission. What the mission he was there. So there he was sent to find out that any plan against India is going or not. So he was there for nearly 7 years, and then he came back. He informed that this type of situation is not there. So nearly all the countries, they are sending their spices to different countries to see that other countries, they are not planning anything dangerous against us. Okay. So every country is having these things, and these things they are doing to protect themselves only, because every country they want to protect themselves, right? So second question, how does Osable manage to make Max believe that there is a balcony attached to his room? So how Osable managed to make him believe that there is balcony? Because he was continuously speaking about balcony. He became angry on the hotel management also. Then what more happened? He said that 1 month back also the same was repeated. That room, this room, both were joined, and one balcony was there. So I remember here one thing. Hitler once said that if you repeat the false story, the people will believe it. Okay, so I think that same thing he has done, and the secret agents, they are very skilled in communication skill. So they will talk in that sense, that the brain will say that what this person is speaking or behaving is correct. Okay, means they will become angry, but they want you to get the false information. So like that the work of Osable was, and he was good in his work. Look back at his detailed description of it. What makes it a convincing story? So convincing story means the story which is making me too interested to read. Convincing means the man who is very fat and not looking like the secret agent is easily making the person who is having the gun in the hand to fall down from the building. Point number 1. And second, simply waiter is coming for his help. No one is for his help. Okay, waiter is coming, he is talking, the person is falling from there, and he is safe. So that type of highness he is having, I must say. So now question number 3. Looking back at the story, when do you think Osable thought up his plan for getting rid of Max? So when he thought that I should get rid of Max, when knock was there on the door, that time I can say that time he thought that I should get rid of the Max. Do you think he had worked out his plan in detail right from the beginning? So I don't think. Okay. Or did he make up a plan taking advantage of events as they happen? So I think that the secret agents are very intelligent and they used to make the plans how the things are happening. Okay, that things only they will include in their story to make the person to believe more. For example, knock is there, he is saying, okay, now you will be in danger because police is outside, right? So like that type of things started happening. Or did he make up a plan taking the advantage as they happened? Now talk about it. In this story, Osable shows great presence of mind. So I can say, children, because of his presence of mind only, he was able to save his life and Fowler life from the problem. And the same time I can say that he was able to protect the information on the missiles, that file which was having the information related to missile. Okay, because of his presence of mind. And we can say his ability to think quickly and act calmly and wisely in a situation of danger and surprise. Give example from your experience. So you have to write your own experience when you were in problem but you reacted wisely, you thought very nicely and fast, and you were calm and you were peaceful. Second question, discuss what you would do in the situation described below. So in this type of situation, what you are going to do? Remember, your presence of mind comes out a state of mental preparedness. So presence of mind means you are prepared for this. Then you are reacting. That is said to be the presence of mind. If you have thought about possible problems or dangers and about how to act in such situation, you have a better chance of dealing with such situation if they arise to you. For example, a small fire starts in your kitchen. What you will do this time? A child starts to choke on a piece of food. What you will do this time? An electric appliance starts to hiss and gives out sparks. What you will do this time? A bicycle knocks down a pedestrian. What you will do this time? It rains continuously for more than 24 hours. What you will do this time? A member of your family does not return home at the usual or expected time. What you will do this time? So you have to write in the copy your own suggestion, and everyone's suggestion can be different from the person, right? Everyone's can be have the different decision. So thank you all children. Have a very good day.